Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. All you gotta do is click the link down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Oh boy, it's almost the end of the month, guys. And the end of the year is coming up. So hold on, we'll be alright. Let's see what's inside. And of course, if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. Prime time going. And we got two things in here. Oh boy. This is coming from CJK. There's the second one. Oi. 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 Alright. I almost knocked you guys over. Here we go. Alright, first one up here is gonna be bada boom. CJK Linens Luxury Sheet Set. A lot of people have been spending home more time now. Get a good deal on king size luxury sheet set. So I'm going to throw these in a wash too, so I usually do that when I get anything through the mail or even at the store. Before I put it on my bed, I throw it in a wash just to make sure. I'm sure everything's fine, but just extra caution. Sometimes you got to. There we go. Now this is what? Deep pockets, wrapped around, elastic, wrinkle and stain resistant, ultra soft. Good choice for allergy sufferers, because I do have that. Okay, king. Not sure how many sheets you get. Probably the standard size. You get probably a couple pillowcases. So they got other ones to purchase. They got pillowcases if you need. So they got it all at CJK. Oh, these are nice ones. Got the style embroidery. These are pillowcases which are pretty big. It's always a good thing to have bigger size. Oh, actually, once I get them out of the wash, you'll see it on the bed. King size. So you remove it and then dispose. So there we go. Alright, we're gonna throw these in the wash. Put these off to the side and I'll show you the other one. I'm just gonna do 2 in 1 video. Be a lot easier. And then now they also have a queen size luxury sheet set. I think it's queen. Hope it's queen. Yeah, it's queen. 4-piece dark gray. So they got other colors to choose from. And here we go. And then like I said, I'm gonna wash these for sure though. And then all you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart. Check out. There we go. So same thing as a king. You get the top sheet, you get the pillowcases. Here's the main one, because I got this in there. Super comfy. It feels perfect time for the winter. Oh just go. Really nice. And bed sheets and top cover. I never use a top cover. I just use normal comforter. So, oh boy, back to the wash, and we'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the GEEK king size sheets. The set is right here. Really nice color. And then here are the pillowcases. Right here with the embroidered. I need to get larger pillows next, so but right there, really nice. Super comfy. There's that. Really nice color. And like I said, check out their other colors and sizes they have to offer besides this one.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Oh, shit. But definitely check them out. And then we'll go in my room and show you the queen size right about now. Alright guys, here it is. The queen size sheet set. Got the cases right there. I had 2 extra ones for my other one. Or actually 1 extra one. So got 3. Same style with the embroidering. Really nice. Kind of like a luxury hotel setting. Super comfy though, like I said, just like the king size. You guys will not be disappointed. Bada boom, bada bing. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. Until then, be safe. Have a good night. And see you guys soon.